Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get the blossoming gift of new beginnings in Roblox. This is a special head accessory available to Roblox Plus members. To receive it, you need an active Roblox Plus subscription during the promotional period. Roblox Plus costs about $4.99 per month and also includes several extra membership benefits. To subscribe, click the Roblox icon at the top of the Roblox website or app. Then select the Roblox Plus membership page and complete your subscription. After your subscription is active, open Settings, then go to the Subscriptions section from the side menu. Under your active Roblox Plus membership, you'll find the option to claim the blossoming gift of new beginnings if it's available for your account. Click the gift, and you'll be taken to its item page where you can add it to your inventory. Once equipped, the accessory will appear on your avatar as a unique head item. That's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.